Caps and Killer Whales. Killer Whales have won the toss and decided to field first. Sanesh, the opening bowler. And 2 men out for Black Caps, Krishna and Dheeraj. Krishna on the striking end with a very strong willow in his hand. Let's see what he is up to now. So here we go with the first delivery of the league match. And that's a wonderful strike, but fielder is right, waiting when running after the ball. Will be able to stop. Good effort down the boundary rope towards the long off. Saves the ball from crossing the boundary. Meanwhile, a good bit of understanding between the two openers, and they take 3 runs. With this triple, score moves to 3. And the power play over is on. Match is going to be played for 4 overs. Sanesh, right arm over the stumps, waiting for the batsman to get ready at the striker's end. Krishna onto the striker end. Wanted to cut the ball, but the pace that has been generated by Sanesh allows the ball to travel quickly to the keeper. Well accepted by Raji, the keeper, at the moment for Killer Whales. Oh my dear, what a lovely strike. Fielder under the ball, but watches the ball sailing above his head, and that's a biggie. That is a wonderful strike. Heaves the ball over the square leg. Even a fielder was intact but could not do much rather than effort in vain. Watches the ball sailing above his head. That sixer takes the total to 9. First two in progress, and this is how the power play over to be dealt. There was a definite attempt, appeal, strong appeal, but a short discussion maybe between the umpires. So, a good, smart reply by Sanesh. First 3 runs, then a dot ball, and now sixer and a dot ball. 4 legal deliveries have been bowled, 9 is the score. Short pitch delivery, there's another connection. Fielder, 2 fielders running for the ball. Meanwhile, ball falls in the no man's land. Even well fielded as the ball has bounced much higher than the expectation of the fielder. Still manages to stop the ball inside the boundary. Meanwhile, a couple of runs taking the total to 11. So far, a decent power play over is on. Meanwhile, proper field placements are being done by Sanesh, asking the fielders to be very quick as this type of chances are to be held to be in the game. Meanwhile, both the batsmen are still intact on the ground. Krishna on the striking, and let's see what he can do as Sanesh is about to bowl the next. Lovely pitch, the chance of a catch. Raji gives a call, keeper doesn't miss, and that's the first wicket. Check. So new man in is Sanket with the jersey number 17 on his back. So Dheeraj is the man to depart, and Krishna now in a navy blue, white and a sky blue color jersey on the striking end. New man in is Sanket. Ishwar to deliver the second over. So let's see how the match is about to progress. Krishna waiting for Ishwar. Maybe both the teams have played against each other for quite a number of occasions. Knows in and outs and the strength and the weakness of the players. Meanwhile, Ishwar left arm around the stumps. Low full toss way outside the off stump. Stretch of arms by the tall guy at the moment on the field. Judging the match, Abrar Khan, ex-Ranji player, now doing the role of the main umpire, declares it as a wide. There's a wonderful strike, and this is going to be the first sixer that we have seen sailing above the long on boundary. Thank you, DJ. That is a wonderful strike. A good, decent cricketing shot to dispatch the ball over the long on area. 46. Another lawful toss. Plays the ball very quickly towards the covers. Meanwhile, a good fielding effort from the fielder could not stop a single. With that single, score moves to 19. Second over in progress. 19 for the loss of 1 wicket. Ishwar with a very long run-up, left arm around the stumps. Another good connection. There's a chance of a catch. Fielder running. And he, oh my dear, misses the ball. Couple of bounces in front of him before collecting. And meanwhile, 2 runs have been taken. With this couple of runs, score moves to 21. 21 for the loss of 1 wicket. Ishwar giving some advice for his fielder and all about to deliver the next. Another change in pace and that does the trick. The timber has been shaken, bails apart, and a second wicket goes down. DJ. Thank you, DJ. New man in is Pritesh. So this is why we always ask 12th man to be in the commentary box to assist the scorers, because these matches are live, digital scoring is on, and if we miss out the names, then the viewers may shout at us. That's why we always ask 12th man to be present with the scorer. Pritesh on the striking end with a checkered color jersey. Another change in pace does the strike. Ball deviating away from the batsman after pitching on the deck. Hint of a leg cutter from the left-hander. Actually, the off-cutter bowled. That turns to be a leg cutter for the right-hand batsman. Meanwhile, a couple of dot balls bowled by Ishwar. Shuffles across. Low full toss has been hit. No chance for any fielder. That's a biggie. Sixer from the bat of Pritesh. Thank you, DJ. With that, that's the completion of over number 2. After completion of 2, score is 27 for the loss of 2 wickets. Meanwhile, 2 men out in the middle. Krishna, the opener, and Pritesh, the new man in. So far, both the batsmen have connected beautiful sixes. Raji bowling the third over as usual, right arm around the stumps. All set to deliver, waiting for batsman to take his guard. And meanwhile, Krishna is all set, swinging the bat very hard. There's a wonderful connection and no even need to look at the ball. That's a biggie. Sixer from the bat of Krishna. Yes, thank you, DJ, for the wonderful music. Meanwhile, this is going to happen. The scene will happen on this ground as 2 good teams are fighting out against each other. Good strikes, good bowling, a good reply will be there definitely. 1 ball that goes out of the park has been brought. And definitely let's see what is going to be the answer of Raji. Raji is also a very shrewd bowler, knows which are the right areas. Meanwhile, feeling little heat as a biggie has been hit in this over. Third over in progress. Right arm round the stumps, a man on strike, Krishna. So far, 2 biggies from the bat of Krishna. Let's see whether he can continue with the same form. Another wonderful strike along the carpet, straight towards the long off area. Slight fumble from the fielder. 2 is the call. What a good reply, good presence of mind, and that's a completion of second. Couple of runs taking the total to 35. Oh my dear, I missed that magical figure. That sixer has taken the total to 33, now 35. Nonetheless, another full toss down the leg stump. Ball missing the bat, misses the keeper. Even the short fielder from the fine leg could not stop, and that's a boundary. Total 5 runs as a 1 wide has been declared. That 5. So there's a wide plus 4 runs total, 5 to be added to the total. Score moves to 40. Third over in progress. This is going to be a very good contest between bat and ball as the match progresses. Another good pitch. Low full toss has been struck towards the wide-ish long on area. Fielder from the deep gathers the ball, throws it back to the bowler. Meanwhile, a single to bring Pritesh on the striking end. Pritesh has struck a beautiful sixer over the square leg area. Is at the striking end. Let's see what he can do now. That's a wonderful connection. Chance for a catch. Balls has been hit. Miles in the air. Meanwhile, the pace of the ball makes the fielder to fumble and take the catch on the second attempt. So here we have studied the law of motion during our school days. Equal and opposite reaction, but it is not applied. Rather than ball bounces on the hard palm of the fielder and pops out, but equally well grabbed on the second attempt. So many things to apply while you are playing. That's why studies never goes in vain. Only you have to apply at the right moment. Meanwhile, a third wicket back to the pavilion. New man in is Pramod, but Krishna is unshaken. Hits a beautiful sixer over the cow corner area. That's a biggie. In fact, the third sixer from the bat of Krishna. That sixer raises the total to 47. Third over in progress. One more over to be bowled in this inning. Another wonderful strike straight down the ground. Fielder away from, but no effort as the ball races. That's the boundary, taking the total to 51. And that's a half century for Black Caps. And that concludes over number 3. After completion of 3 overs, score is 51 for the loss of 3 wickets. Courtesy a good batting, a strong hitting from Krishna, who was at the striker's end. As that concludes the over, he will be at the non-striker's end. New man in, Pramod. Let's see what will be his approach. Meanwhile, after completion of 3, score is 51. 51 for the loss of 3 wickets. Let's see what is going to be approach of the new man in Pramod. Whether he also going to join in the groove, join the party, or being sensible, takes a single and gives the strike to Krishna, who is approaching towards this half century. Guru the bowler wanted to cut the ball, but as the ball has pitched way outside the off-stump, stretch of arms by umpire signalling one more run to be added in the total in form of wide, taking the total to 52. Another good pitch delivery, equally well played, takes it onto his legs. Leg by is the signal from the dashing umpire, Abrar Khan, and his assistant, his partner, Sachin Desai, upcoming talent, a very experienced player. I have played a lot of cricket with him. Very shrewd player. Now doing the job of umpire. Meanwhile, a wonderful strike. There is a fielder intact. 2 will be the call. Definitely Krishna running towards the striker's end. Takes a couple of runs, keeps the strike for himself, and the total moves to 55. Double 5 on the board. A pair right now rocking out in the middle. Krishna and Pramod. Guru the bowler. Another low full toss, well pitched delivery. No chance for Krishna, rather than hitting the ball back to the bowler. Meanwhile, a dot ball has been bowled after a very, very long time in this inning. 4th over in progress, the last over of the inning. Another strong connection. This ball comes exactly at the side of the pendle. Total moves to 61. And in fact, this is the 4th sixer from the bat of Krishna. Krishna rocking on Friday. Low full toss has been heaved, and the result is going to be the same as the fielder jumps into anticipation, but the ball wins the race. And that is the 5th six from the bat of Krishna. Krishna playing at the individual score of 43. Let's see whether he can be the half centurion in this tournament. Another strong strike. Oh my dear! That's even the biggest sixer so far. And thank you, DJ. But what a wonderful inning. Krishna not out on a 49. Just missed his half century by 1 run, but he has done the collateral damage for his opponents. And even appreciation from the opposite side for Krishna for his wonderful inning. Total moves to 73, and the target is of 74 runs in front of Killer Whales. Let's see what is going to happen in the second innings. Meanwhile, I would like to invite a young budding commentator giving the details in Hindi, Swapnil Naik, in the second innings.
Thank you, Sagar sir. किलर वेल्स को जीतने के लिए 74 रनों का लक्ष्य रखा है ब्लैक कैप्स ने। बहुत ही बढ़िया बैटिंग की है कृष्णा ने अपने टीम के लिए और खुद के लिए 49 रन बना चुके हैं कृष्णा। बहुत ही बढ़िया बैटिंग यहां पर ब्लैक कैप्स की। जीतने के लिए 74 रनों का लक्ष्य। पहले दो सलामी बल्लेबाज शानेश और रॉजी। स्ट्राइक पर है शानेश और नॉन स्ट्राइक पर है रॉजी। धीरज मारुतिगढ़ हैंड से पहले ओवर लेके धीरज की पहली गेंद शानेश ने कट करा दिया है। फील्डर उसके पीछे भागते हुए बॉल के पीछे बॉल सीधी बाउंड्री लाइन के बाहर जाते हुए 4 रन के लिए बाहर। पहली गेंद पर शानेश ने चौका मारा है। बहुत ही अच्छी स्टार्ट यहां पर जीतने के लिए 74 रनों का लक्ष्य रखा है। इसी बीच दूसरे बॉल पे बहुत अच्छी कैच यहां पर शानेश 4 रन मार के आउट होकर वापस पेविलियन की तरफ जाते हुए। धीरज की बहुत ही बढ़िया बॉलिंग। और एक विकेट के बाद अगला बल्लेबाज आया है गुरु। स्ट्राइक पर है रॉजी। धीरज की अच्छी गेंद ऑफ साइड के बाहर रखते हुए गेंद वाइड। और इसी वाइड के बाद स्कोर जा पहुंच चुका है 5 रन। बहुत अच्छी गेंद धीरज की, बैट्समैन को चकमा देते हुए डॉट निकाली है गेंद। रॉजी सामना करेंगे धीरज को। धीरज की अच्छी गेंद फिर से डॉट करा दिया है। बहुत ही बढ़िया बॉलिंग करते हुए धीरज अपने टीम के लिए अभी तक सिर्फ एक 4 और एक वाइड का रन दिया है और एक विकेट हासिल की है। बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग धीरज की। इसी भी धीरज की अच्छी बॉलिंग, वहां पर मिस टाइम शॉट, 2 फील्डर उसके नीचे और ये आसान सी कैच पकड़ी है फील्डर ने। बहुत ही अच्छी कैच। रॉजी आउट होकर वापस अपने पवेलियन में जाते हुए। स्ट्राइक पर है गुरु और नॉन स्ट्राइक पर है ईश्वर। धीरज की बढ़िया बॉलिंग, अपने टीम के लिए 2 विकेट हासिल किए है। बहुत अच्छी गेंद और रन आउट का चांस। यहां पर डायरेक्ट हिट है तो कुछ हो सकता था, लेकिन सिर्फ एक ही रन चुराने में कामयाब। एक ओवर के बाद स्कोर जा पहुंच चुका है 6 रन और जीतने के लिए 18 गेंदों में 68 59 रनों का लक्ष्य जीतने के लिए 18 गेंदों में। बॉलर महेश सामना करेंगे गुरु। मैच की अच्छी गेंद और उसी तरह से गुरु ने बहुत अच्छी शॉट मारी, लेकिन सिर्फ एक ही रन चुराने में कामयाब। बहुत अच्छी शॉट, लेकिन फील्डर उसके नीचे और ये सीधी 6 रन के लिए बाहर। बहुत ही अच्छी शॉट वहां पर ईश्वर की। विश्वास की बहुत ही बढ़िया कमबैक करते हुए बहुत ही अच्छा कमबैक करते हुए महेश। बहुत अच्छी गेंद महेश की। पहले बॉल पे 1 रन, बाद में 1 छक्का और 2 लगातार डॉट बॉल निकालते हुए ऑफ साइड की तरफ खेला हुआ ये शॉट सिर्फ एक ही रन चुराने में कामयाब। आखिरी गेंद सामना करेंगे गुरु। महेश की अच्छी गेंद और ऑफ साइड की तरफ गेंद बाहर रखते हुए वाइड करा दिया है एम्पायर ने। बहुत अच्छी गेंद और बहुत ही बढ़िया बॉलिंग। सिर्फ एक रन। और 2 ओवर के बाद स्कोर चाप हो चुका है 15 रन। जीतने के लिए 12 गेंदों में 59 रनों का लक्ष्य। पहली गेंद वाइड। वहां पर विश्वास की बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग। सिर्फ एक ही रन। हो। ये तो बॉल हवा में तैरते हुए फील्डर उसके नीचे और आसान सी कैच पकड़ी है। विश्वास की बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग। गुरु आउट होकर वापस पवेलियन की तरफ बढ़ते हुए। ईश्वर की अच्छी शॉट सिर्फ एक ही रन चुराने में कामयाब। स्ट्राइक पर है वर्धन। विश्वास की अच्छी गेंद उसी तरह से इस शॉट को भी अच्छी तरह से खेला है। सिर्फ एक ही रन। इस एक रन से कुछ नहीं बनेगा जीतने के लिए। फिफ्टी 55 रनों की जरूरत। बहुत अच्छी गेंद, रन आउट का चांस और एक डायरेक्ट हिट और यहां पर विकेट हासिल की है। डायरेक्ट हिट। बहुत ही अच्छा थ्रो यहां पर। यहां पर विश्वास की बहुत ही अच्छा बॉलिंग। अपने ओवर में सिर्फ 4 रन देके और 2 विकेट हासिल किए। बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग करते हुए विश्वास। स्ट्राइक पर है पुष्पक। गेंदबाजी करेंगे प्रसाद। स्ट्राइक पर है पुष्पक। इसी बीच पुष्पक की अच्छी शॉट, लेकिन फील्डर उसके नीचे और ये आसान सी कैच वापस पेविलियन में जाते। अच्छी बॉलिंग यहां पर प्रसाद की। इसी बीच अच्छी शॉट, फील्डर उसके नीचे और ये 6 रन के लिए बाहर। वर्धन के बल्ले से निकलता हुआ 6 रन। सिर्फ 25 रन बनाए। हो ये 6 रन के लिए बार। अभी इस छक्के चौकों की कुछ जरूरत नहीं, जीतने के लिए तो बहुत सारे रन चाहिए। बहुत अच्छी शॉट, लेकिन फील्डर उसके नीचे। कृष्णा ने आसान से कैच पकड़िया बाउंड्री लाइन के ऊपर। स्पार्टन वॉरियर्स और किलर वेल्स दोनों कप्तान से गुजारिश करना चाहूंगा टॉस के लिए आ जाए। स्पार्टन वॉरियर्स और किलर वेल्स। इसी बीच 4 रन, सॉरी, यहां पर ब्लैक कैप्स ने यह मैच जीत लिया है।